Creamy, zesty chorizo chicken pasta. A flavor bomb dinner using leftover rotisserie chicken, and you can have this ready in 30 minutes. Stay tuned. This is an easy budget-friendly meal that you can have ready in 30 minutes. In my pan on medium heat, I have 1 package of beef chorizo, and this is the cheap stuff from Walmart. As you can see, the meat is fine and it falls apart, but it is mostly a flavor bomb of herbs and spices, and that's what we are looking for to enhance this recipe. Adding in 1 cup each of diced onions and bell peppers, giving that a toss to combine. This is 4 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cooking and stirring for a minute or until the paste is incorporated. I'm adding in only a few more spices because the chorizo is going to do its job in flavoring this entire dish. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of basil. You could also add in some red pepper flakes or smoked paprika. Cooking and stirring for another minute. I'm slowly adding in 1 cup of chicken broth and stirring, turning my heat up slightly to bring this up to a simmer. For the creaminess, this is 1 cup of cream, giving that a good stir and give it a taste for any salt. Once at a light simmer, I'm cooking for 5 minutes. This is 2 good cups of diced cooked rotisserie chicken. Stirring to combine, and you can see there is a good bit of fat from the chorizo, and that's okay. There is flavor there and it will add to the dish and all come together. I have 4 cups of cooked rigatoni, and you can use any pasta that you like. I'm also throwing in a handful of fresh chopped parsley. Stirring gently and cooking for a minute or 2 or until the chicken and pasta are heated through. I wish you could smell this. I turned my heat off and I'm garnishing the top with some grated Monterey Jack cheese and parsley. This chorizo chicken pasta dinner is so easy and good. A great comfort meal. Garnish with a little parsley or maybe some chopped cilantro. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.